What's up YouTube? We are here today in Toronto. We're at a landmark location. We're at 50 Yorkville, the Four Seasons Hotel, and we're gonna go check out a $4.5 million condo unit. Come on, let's go. So the Four Seasons operates as a hotel here, but also has a limited number of residences that were sold to the public. We're lucky enough today to go view one of those units on sale on the 30th floor, unit 3002. Now you should know that the Four Seasons hosts some of the most exclusive and sought after real estate here in the city, offering units with some of the best views and the most luxurious finishes. The Four Seasons is also home to the most expensive condo unit ever sold in the city of Toronto at a staggering $31 million back in 2018. In comparison, you can get a house on Bridle Path for that kind of money. Okay, so the first thing that you notice when you walk into the unit is that you have direct access to the elevators directly from your unit, so you don't need to go into hallways or anything to access elevators, which is very unique for condo buildings here in the city. Now you can see as you enter into the unit, you have marble floors and you have all this great millwork done inside the unit, from the crown moldings to the moldings on the floors, which is all of really high quality. And then you'll make your way right here into the first room, which is your laundry room with cabinetry space right here, and you have another exit into the common area of the floor, and you have more cabinet space over here. You have a little storage space right in here. Okay, so a quick overview of the unit. This unit comes with 2 bedrooms, 3 washrooms. It's 1,956 square feet. It has 10-foot high ceilings. It comes with 2 parking spots and it has 1 locker. And you get all the services that you get in the hotel for your private residence, including housekeeping service, room service, concierge, valet parking, and you get access to the indoor pool, outdoor pool, and the sauna as well. So now we'll move into our first formal area here in the unit, which is really the centerpiece for the unit. It's the living and dining space. Now, you'll see massive floor-to-ceiling windows right over here, which give exposure to the north and the east side. And you have a fireplace right over here in the living space, which really is the centerpiece for the living area over here. You have your dining space right over here, and it has lots of open space, so you can flow in and out of the kitchen, the balcony, all the bedrooms, right from the center area of the unit right here. Okay, now let's go look at the kitchen. So right when you enter the kitchen, you see that it has a massive island right here, and this island is made of marble on top right here. And one of my favorite parts about the island is that it has electricity right here, so you can run your appliances on this island. It also has a double sink, so you can wash your vegetables and do your dishes on this side while you do your cooking here on this side. Now the appliances are Miele, so you have your conventional oven and your mini oven right here. And you also have a wine fridge right at the bottom of the island here. You have lots of cabinet space. And this is your built-in fridge, which is a large size. And you have your freezers right over here. So there's tons of storage space for all your groceries and everything like that. And there's lots of cabinetry space. You have these little built-in shelves where you can put your quick access condiments or anything like that you'll need. And one of my favorite parts is you have direct access to the balcony from your kitchen. So just fire these up. And you get to your balcony and you have your north exposure right over here, and you have your east view right over here to the city. Okay, so now we're inside the first bedroom. So right over here, you have your closet space. It's a good sized closet space right here with built-in drawers. And then on this side, you have your ensuite. You have a standing shower. You have your sink. So come into this space right here, and it's your first bedroom here. What I love is you get this north exposure here, all floor-to-ceiling windows, so you get lots of natural light coming into this unit, and you have a pulpered ceiling as well, which is beautiful. Okay, now let's go take a look at the master bedroom. So as you come into the master bed, you see here it has Holford ceiling and it has these pot lights that run around the ceiling as well. You have this beautiful exposure right over here to the east side of the city. And you have this massive 7-piece ensuite. And you can come here, you have a standing shower over here. You have your separated 7-piece washroom here. You have a tub here. You have a his and her sink right here. And one of my favorite features about this ensuite is this door right here. So it's a weighted door, so you don't really need to close it. It'll close on its own as it's coming down, which is pretty cool. And right over here is a walk-in closet for the master bedroom. Okay, so that was a tour of Unit 3002 here at 50 Yorkville, the Four Seasons Hotel. I want to thank the seller, I want to thank Janice for letting us in to view this incredible property. To my YouTube family, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and drop a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll catch you next time.